Thanks for staying tuned to First Alert 25. I'm Garrett Hoddle. Our winter storm has arrived here in central Texas, and we're going to start to see the effects of that. This system is ultimately going to bring about 3 to 6 inches of snow and ice accumulation here in central Texas, anywhere up to about 1/10 of an inch in ice accumulation, and potentially life-threatening wind chills below zero. So let's take a look at what we can expect going forward. When we look at our winter weather timeline, you kind of get an idea of how things are going to play out. This morning, we're dealing with mainly patchy freezing drizzle, maybe some light rain through central Texas as well as the Brazos Valley, and that's going to continue leading up until about lunchtime today. Once we hit that hour, we're going to start to see a transition mainly out to our far western counties. Places like San Saba, Mills, will start to see that snow creep into the mix, and it's going to become heavy at times, but mainly later this afternoon along that I-35 corridor for places like McLennan County, and then we'll start to see it slowly creep into other places like Bell County as well, and that's going to continue through the early part of Monday morning. Now you couple that in with these breezy north winds anywhere from about 20 to 25 miles per hour, that's going to lead to reduced visibility on roadways. So I think you get the overall picture here. Please stay home, do not travel, because conditions are not going to be great, and they're going to steadily deteriorate as we go forward. Going forward here on our future track, you'll notice that light color of purple and blue indicating maybe some light snow, but then once we hit that afternoon hour, you'll start to see those darker pockets of blue develop in places like San Saba County, as we mentioned earlier, and that's going to move forward across the area. Now that's going to continue generally moving from west to east, gradually tapering off from west to east as well as we go forward into Monday, but that does not mean that we're out of it, at least going forward. Here's a look at our 10-day forecast, which lays it all out for you. One thing to point out here is although the snow activity tapers off going into Monday, take a look at our lows in the single digits and teens. Factor in the wind chill value. That means about 10 or 20 degrees below zero, so it's going to be extremely cold. And then right around midweek Wednesday, more snow is possible here in the area.